here's our first dusting of this Nor'easter Athena. There's some snow. And we'll see what happens. Hopefully this will just stay like this and no crazy winds or nothing, and nothing will pick up, but yeah. When's it supposed to get worse? Tonight? Well, it's picking up a little bit. And our power is out on top of it. It just went out. Kids are getting out of school. Maybe they're getting out early too because of this nor'easter. And we just lost power. So we're gonna be cold. But we'll have to double up and bundle up. And yep. We'll see what happens in a few hours and tomorrow. Well, we just lost power, and the snow's picking up, so this should be another fun night to remember. I don't know what this is called, the Nor'easter Athena. Can't wait for this. Yeah, we also went solar powered, so solar power is good. Go green! And I also forgot to mention my Jewish candles. Don't forget to pick up this cranker upper Eton American Red Cross radio. That is also solar powered and battery powered. This thing is good. It tells you the alerts, emergencies, and can also charge your cell phone in the back. It's a dandy little radio.
In the following areas in New York, Manhattan and Staten Island, coastal flood advisory in effect from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Thursday. Coastal flood warning is canceled. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a coastal flood advisory, which is in effect from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Thursday. The coastal flood warning has been canceled. Locations: New York Harbor. Tidal departures 2 to 2.5 feet above normal early Thursday morning. Timing: around the time of high tide early Thursday morning. Impacts: minor coastal flooding is expected early Thursday morning. Some locations could be more vulnerable due to changes in underwater slopes and/or loss of protective dunes, both caused by Sandy. Widespread flooding of vulnerable shore roads and/or basements will hamper recovery efforts. A coastal flood advisory indicates that onshore winds and tides will combine to generate flooding of low areas along the shore.
Another update. It's still snowing. And not that much. It's really nothing. Just a light coating. Unless we'll get a surprise tomorrow morning or in the late hours. Yep. Well, I gotta go back in because my camera's getting wet with snowing. So it's starting to pick up. Ow. It's a little bit of a... What is this, an inch or two? Snow. So this is our first snowfall for the end of 2012. Ow. Footprints. Bigfoot was here. Let's see what happens in the morning. I gotta get in. The camera's getting wet. Next update. Let me see if I can get outside without wetting the camera. Update is snow. And I think
Bigfoot was here.
Bigfoot is walking in the tracks.
Winter nightmare.
Nah, this is not a nor'easter, thank God. At least for those people that are suffering from Sandy. Yeah. Look at the shadow of the Christmas tree. I mean, the regular tree Christmas tree. I say we light this sucker up over here. Look at it. I'm gonna go down to Rockefeller. Where? Somebody's dog. Somebody's dog is on me. Oops. Sorry.
He's so happy.
Me too. How cute. Aw. He's cute. It's a cute doggy. Bye-bye, doggy. No. So, got a little bit of snow. And the neighbor's dog. Alright, update in a few hours. Check out my Barbie boots for the snow and rain. Barbie bitch. Here is the nighttime accumulation so far. I wanted to go outside, but I guess I'm going out. Oh shit, I got freaking snow. It's cold. Can you see the smoke coming out of my mouth because it's freezing? Probably not. But here's Athena in the background doing some damage. That looks like a good tree. Well, that car is covered in snow. Still coming down. Look at this maniac freaking shoveling at this hour. What is it, 1 o'clock in the morning? Shoveling snow. Get in the house, you maniac. That's my brother. Maybe he wants to work for sanitation while he's at it. They should pay him.
Mighty good.
Well, at least the driveway's clean. Oh man. Is that my new shovel he's using? There goes my new shovel. He busted my last shovel. I can't believe this family breaks shovels. I didn't even get to test this shovel out. Now he's gonna break my brand new shovel. Darn it. Oh, the bobcat got jealous of my brother shoveling. Now the bobcat's out shoveling, see? The maniac's a shovel at 1 o'clock at night. Listen, my brother did a better job over here. Day after Nor'easter Athena, and most of the snow has melted. And the streets are clean quick. Usually they never clean the streets. By the way, this candle is really good for emergencies and power outages, which we are experiencing right now. So, pick them up. 100-hour candles. Really, really good. And we've been using it since Hurricane Sandy. And now, as you can see in back of me, the Nor'easter Athena. Please go away. Hope everybody's safe. Yeah. Take care.